Hi everyone, today we talk about JD.com, and whenever I talk about this stock, it's very popular on the channel. I've got a lot of subscribers that seem very interested into JD.com, and it also pulls a lot of subscribers into the channel that don't necessarily watch all the videos all the time. So it's a good one for me to record for my channel as well. And I enjoy making videos about JD.com because obviously I'm invested into the stock. If you don't know, and it's like your first time watching, guys, I invested into JD.com on the 24th of December, and I got in around about, I'd say $19 a share. I couldn't tell you exactly without looking, but it was something around there. So I am an investor in JD.com, and we're going to talk about is it still a good time to buy JD.com and what I'm going to do about my position in JD.com, and hopefully it'll help you guys that are watching this video. So JD.com is currently at a forward P of 52. Now when I got into the stock originally, that forward P was actually around about 30, so it's gone up slightly a bit now because of the price going up. EPS growth is still quite good, it's at 66%. The reason why it seems so high is because JD.com's EPS is actually quite low, it's below 1. So when that kind of happens and it's just kind of turned the corner making profit and the EPS going into positive, because of the jump, normally the percentage is quite high, so it seems like it's doing amazing, but really it's only because it's just turned to making profit. But it's still pretty good either way. Sales is 16.5%, so that's a healthy double-digit growth. And as we're recording this video, it's trading at $30 per share. Like I say, when I upload it, it could be slightly different because I record this a couple of days before I actually upload it, so I can edit it. Kind of three main points that I've put here, two positive, two negatives, is that the earnings that we just had were pretty good and it made more profit than what we expected. It's still at a discount. Now when we look at 52-week high on JD, it's towards the 40 range, and it's still, you know, a $10 discount, which is pretty good. One thing that I would say, the big thing you got to be careful about this stock is the trade war. Now I feel like a trade war deal has already been priced into a lot of these Chinese stocks. So if we have a trade deal that isn't announced and Donald Trump turns around and goes, we're not actually having a trade deal with China, sorry about that, then I could see a lot of these Chinese stocks that have done quite well at recovering those losses from 2018. I could see a lot of these stocks going down 10% off that news, and it could be quite a heavy hit. So that's something you got to be careful of. So personally for me now, going into JD.com and my opinions going forward, the trade deal is a big worry for me because I feel like that's priced in, and if that doesn't go through, it would affect the stock. If it was to affect the stock, then I would go and then probably buy more. When it's announced, I don't know if it would jump too much because we're kind of expecting a deal now. JD.com itself, I like my position there. I like Alibaba more than JD. I said when I invested into JD.com, I felt like it was on a bigger discount than Alibaba right there. But I'm a big fan of both the companies. And for me, JD.com, I don't want to add any more shares into that position right now, especially at this price. Unless it was to come down slightly more, then maybe I'd consider investing into it. But if you don't have any investments into the Chinese sector, this might be one you consider because it's still at about a 10% discount at a $10 discount right now. Same with Alibaba, it's still at a discount right now, so it's not too bad of an opportunity still to get in. Personally, you know, I think you should have got in earlier, but it's still at a discount right now. And I really like JD.com, but like I say, for me, I'm not adding any more shares into this now. I'm happy with my position, but it's still a discount if you're wanting to get in. I'm going to sell out probably around the $40–50 per share range when it gets there. And if I'm honest with you, if I'm going to get into another Chinese stock, the next stock I'm going to get in is Alibaba, but I'm probably not going to consider getting into Alibaba until I see what happens with this trade deal right now. Because I don't want to have too many to be too heavy in that Chinese sector. So yeah, I'm kind of waiting to see what happens with the trade deal, and then if I'm honest, Alibaba is where I'm going to go after JD. But that's just my opinion, guys. But I hope it helped you. I hope if you're looking for some information, someone else's opinion about what you should do, I hope that helped you out. So thank you for watching. Thanks for 200 subscribers. Been wanting to get there for ages, and we finally got there, so thank you for that. So thank you for all the support. I'm really enjoying making all these videos because of the support right now. So give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.